Former Arizona Department of Corrections Director Charles Ryan is working on a plea deal to avoid spending time in prison, the prison system he used to be in charge of.
And Ryan was in court this morning. Fox 10's Nicole Garcia with the details.
Charles Ryan, the former Arizona prisons director, could face some prison time himself if he is convicted of the 2 felonies that he's facing. Those charges stemming from his armed encounter with Tempe Police at his home more than a year ago. Now, the penalty for the charges he's facing carries a maximum of 5 years in prison.
Charles Ryan, 3/18/1950.
The former prisons director, now a criminal defendant, Charles Ryan, was arrested after officers responded to his home for a call of possible self-inflicted gunshot wound. Court documents show that his wife told officers Ryan had been drinking tequila and he fired a gun in the bathroom.
Drop the gun! Charles, drop it!
Police say he pointed a gun at officers but never fired.
Your Honor, there's additional material that the prosecutor and I have discussed that they would like to.
Ryan's attorney presented new mitigating evidence to prosecutors, asking for more time to settle on a plea deal. Ryan is 73 years old, and his age could be a factor.
There's a lot of potential health or mental health issues that can go along with just a person being that age. If I was negotiating this particular case, I would be focusing on the steps that are being taken now in order to prevent something like this from happening in the future with Mr. Ryan. So if it was substance abuse or mental health issues, I would have had my client already getting mental health treatment or getting substance abuse treatment.
We're not going to talk about it.
Ryan is facing 1 felony count of discharging a firearm in city limits and another felony for disorderly conduct with a weapon. The latter is a dangerous felony that can require prison time.
If the prosecutor agrees as part of a plea agreement to drop the allegation of dangerousness, that takes mandatory prison off the table. In that situation, Mr. Ryan would be looking at the possibility of probation.
Charles Ryan is due back in court July 13th. It's expected a plea deal will have been reached by then. If not, his trial is set to begin July 20th. I'm Nicole Garcia, Fox 10 News.